Big Viking. It's a real bad storm.
Mom, Bella, guess what? What if our whole family was like secret agents? What if our whole family was like secret agents? And then we knew all these tricks. And then...
Don't talk about Mom.
And then Nana and Grandpa would do this. Oh, hi, youngster. It was like 25-year-old and he was bad. Hi. And Nana would do this. Hi. Ha. Oh, yeah. Ha. Oh.
And she would also go. Oh, okay.
And he was laying down and...
Marcos, you back.
Whoa.
You back, Rocco?
And Grandpa would be like this.
This is how you look up.
No, I went like this, Bella. I went like this.
Marco, you're like this. You're like this. Mom, is it dangerous to be out here?
If it's over there, it's not.
No, it's not near us.
Dad, look. Dad, look.
She's Nana, I'm Grandpa.
Dad, look.